She has been coming to this court, smiling with the same person that he says in her affidavit, kidnapped her. Her address appears to be the address in Gauteng. G4S prison is in Bloemfontein in the Free State. Where and how they met, they decide not to reveal that to the court. And yet, they say, accused 5 kidnapped me. They do not reveal where they met, how he kidnapped her at all. Is it by gunpoint? Is it by knife? How was she kidnapped? If indeed we have to believe she was kidnapped. It is my submission that in this aspect, she's not taking this court into her confidence.